We got here 2012 Honda Civic. Here's the starter. We're replacing the starter. The starter is located underneath the car. On here. On this spot right here. So you really need to know what you're doing with this type of job like that. The starter is located right there. That's where the screw goes, the main power, and this is the starter signal from the key. And let me show you where the starter sits. Starter goes, oops, to this hole. It goes somewhere in there. I can do it because I got, like I said, the phone, I got it with one hand. The starter with the other hand, so I need both hands in order to put it in place. But this is how a starter would it look like on this type of car. This is a 2012 Honda Civic 1.8. This is the Honda Civic, so you can see it. It's the engine. So the starter is behind here. But the only way to reach it is underneath because the intake is right on top here, so there's no way to reach it. You can see the starter is sitting right there. So here we go. We do this work in the customer place. Here. We got all the tools. We got it jacked up, and we're doing this work, like I say, mobile. We can come to you if it's needed, but you gotta make an appointment. Call 832-618-7291, and we'll be more than happy to help you with jobs like this, anything similar, or anything that you need. We can help you out. So here we go again. We start a job for the 2012 Honda Civic. We about to put it back together and take some pictures after, and please share and give us a like and share or post. Thanks a lot.